Hi, I'm Chris Jordan, Chief Nursing Officer for Acute Care and Vice President of Patient Care Services.
I'm Tammy Dunham, Chief Nursing Officer for St. Peter's Health Partners Medical Associates.
Hi, I'm Nancy Smith, Chief Nursing Officer for Sunnyview Rehabilitation Hospital.
And I'm Amy Carlson, Chief Nursing Officer for Continuing Care.
We'd like to start by wishing all of our nurses a very happy Nurses Week and Nurses Month. The theme of this year's Nurses Month is Nurses Make a Difference. And if the past year has taught us anything, it's that nurses make an incredible difference, not just in their patients' lives, but in the lives of our community.
This past year has been incredibly challenging. The COVID-19 pandemic has taxed everyone, both physically and emotionally.
As nurses, you've borne the brunt of the battle, but still, you showed up every day, despite your own fears, worked long, grueling shifts, learned new skills, redeployed to new units, and many of you even fought the illness yourselves.
You pulled together and helped vaccinate thousands of people in our community, giving them hope that we may soon be able to put this pandemic behind us.
Throughout it all, you have remained in the trenches, fighting alongside your colleagues to ensure that every patient who walked through our doors received the best possible care. You stood at the bedside to hold the hands of the sickest patients and provided them with a comforting touch and highest level of care they needed to heal.
This bravery reverberated throughout the community, creating waves of hope that are still felt today. You inspired the young and the old to recognize the vital role nurses play in our hospitals, our nursing homes, our medical offices, rehabilitation centers, and in our patients' homes. You are also inspiring future generations of nurses who will one day be working beside you.
While physical distancing may limit our ability to celebrate in person, we want to make sure you know how deeply valued you are and how thankful we are for all that you do every day.
Throughout the month, we want to encourage you to focus on yours and your colleagues' mental health and physical well-being.
One thing that this pandemic has taught us is that we are humans and have our own limits to what we can withstand as nurses. We care for everyone around us, often neglecting our own needs.
As we launch Together Care, the next few weeks will likely be challenging as well, but we can get through this together.
If you are struggling, please reach out, even if it means just talking with a friend.
Go for a walk, exercise, or meditate. Find a way to decompress, whatever works best for you.
Recognize your colleagues, offer praise for work well done, and encouragement when it's needed. Think outside of the box, be an innovator, and share your ideas with your nurse leaders.
Nurses are the backbone of healthcare. Each one of you makes a difference every single day. You've been a light in a very dark time for our patients, our community, and for one another. Thank you for all that you do. Happy Nurses Week.
Happy Nurses Week.
Happy Nurses Week.
Happy Nurses Week and Happy Nurses Month.